Hello dear friends, in this video I will show you how to share videos longer than 1 minute on Instagram. I had previously shared 2 videos on my own channel about sharing long videos on Instagram. However, as Instagram updated itself over time, those videos were no longer a solution for you, my valuable followers, and comments started to come under those videos saying that videos longer than 1 minute could no longer be shared. As a result of this, I felt the need to make a new video and research this topic for you. As an alternative solution, I have prepared this video for you. If you are ready, I will explain how to do it. Let's get started. Hello again, dear friends. Now I have an article about sharing videos on Instagram via Facebook, which I will show you on the screen. As you can see in the detailed information in the section about uploading videos on Instagram, it is stated that your video should be at least 30 frames per second and have a minimum resolution of 720 pixels. Additionally, if your video is less than 10 minutes long, Instagram says it can be shared as a maximum of 650 megabytes in size. So if you have a 6-minute video, it takes up close to 700 megabytes of space in the gallery, and you share this video on Instagram. What should we do if we have to share it in pieces? In the previous video, I explained how to compress the video. You can access that part from the card in the top right corner. By reducing the size of your videos, you can share them on Instagram. Also, there is another sentence below which says you will share a video that is over 10 minutes, but I only support up to 3.6 gigabytes. Similarly, as I mentioned before, I have a video on how to compress videos from the card in the top right corner. By watching it from the previous video, you can learn how to compress your videos. Now, you might say that Instagram is not up to date and you can share it right away. To do this, I'm logging into the Play Store to show you my Instagram. As you can see, it is not up to date in April 2023, and I am installing the latest version of Instagram. Now I'm updating it here. This part is speeding up to load. I'm waiting for the installation to complete. After the installation process is complete, I will show you how to share my videos on the new Instagram update, which is below 650 megabytes in less than 10 minutes. I am going to the phone screen and entering the gallery. I'm opening the long video that I want to share. If you pay attention, when I rewind or fast forward the timeline, the length of the video is 3 minutes and 26 seconds. I click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and enter the details from the options that appear. As you can see, the resolution is 720 pixels and the file size is 365 megabytes. This means that I can share this video seamlessly on Instagram because I meet the requirement of being under 650 megabytes in less than 10 minutes. When I open Instagram's homepage, I click on the plus button at the bottom. I check whether I want to share it as a story, live video, or Reels video. I select the basketball video that I just showed you, and then I click on the arrow in the top right corner to share it. On the screen, you can add music, write text, add tags, and add animations. It depends on what you want to share according to your taste. I am clicking on the next button in the bottom right corner directly because I recorded this video to show you. On the screen that appears, I write a description for the video and tag people and add location. Detailed information is required. At the top, you can select the cover image you want for your post from the cover layout section under the video. I'm directly writing Fenerbahce Tofaş match in the description section and clicking the share button at the bottom. Now our video is being shared. Let's see if our video will be shared completely or in pieces. We are fast forwarding to this part. You can see the progress section at the top. If you have any other questions, please write them in the comments below. I will try to help as much as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. It says completed. Yes, it has been shared. While on the main screen, if you look at the minute in the top right corner, it says 3 minutes, 26 seconds. I am going to my profile from the bottom right corner and opening the video I shared as a post. The video has been shared completely. That's all for our process. As long as you meet the requirements at the beginning of the video, you will not have any problem sharing long videos. I am showing those requirements on the screen again. It is said that it should be at least 720 pixels for videos under 10 minutes. I will share your videos in files up to 650 megabytes. The ratio should be in the width-height range. In short, it says that you can share all videos under 10 minutes as long as your video is under 650 megabytes. If you do not meet these requirements, you will not be able to share your videos. That's all for our process. If you have any other questions, scroll down to the comments and I will try to help as much as I can. Sharing information is beautiful in this age of technology. You can also recommend it to our friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. See you again with a brand new video. Goodbye and stay healthy.